Hi everyone, Zach from Out There Vans in Grand Junction, Colorado, or from OutThereVans.com. Today I have a couple samples of some brand new products that are now available on OutThereVans.com. And in today's video, I will walk you through these products. We are going to hop inside of this van. I will walk you through a quick installation process of these and show you their practical use and maybe some tips and tricks along the way. Keep in mind, these products are applicable to the Transit, ProMaster, and Sprinter van chassis. So don't click away because there's a Sprinter van behind me and you own a Transit. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and get into these. So those of you that have been hanging around the Out There Vans YouTube channel for a while, you know we've been trying to show you many different ways of utilizing more storage in your van because every little bit and piece counts in one of these small spaces. Now these products are from our friends at VanEssential. Now VanEssential is known for a few things already, known specifically, let's say, window covers for all windows of all chassis of vans. They're tailor fit, magnetic, super streamlined, and a beautiful product to use. Their L-track systems are incredibly handy. And also their storage panels for the rear doors of the Sprinter Transit ProMaster. Now they have expanded with a couple new products for the sliding door. Now these are sliding door storage panels. Now if you ever removed the door panel off of your sliding door or any door, let's just say, there are voids within that door panel, just like behind the walls of your van conversion. Now VanEssentials has created a panel for your sliding door that strategically places some of your voids, we'll call them, with a storage pocket that recesses into that void area. Additionally, there are a few very shallow pockets. Now, shallow is the key word here because just like this warning right here says, warning, do not overstuff pockets as protruding objects may scratch the outside of your van when the door is opened. By removing this tag, you acknowledge risk of damage. But I'm telling you right now, before we even dive into this or you grill me in the comments, just don't overstuff your pockets. This panel would make a nice spot for some gloves, some socks, some hats and mittens, all the little soft goods that would be less likely to scrape the side of your van. Now, additionally over here, I have the upper storage panel for the Sprinter. You can imagine it looking like this, yes. This has 3 smaller pockets that provide you those storage positions in those voids. They are floppy right now because they fold for small shipping. Once you mount it up to your van is metal, luckily. So when you screw this into your van, it's going to flatten it right out and you will never know it folded in the past. Now, specifically for the Sprinter panel, it is designed to line up with the factory holes from your factory door panel if you had one in that position already. It also is provided with some plastic inserts that go in those holes. Then you can turn those holes into a screw application. This upper panel here does not have any pre-drilled holes on it. You will need to go through with a drill bit, drill a pilot hole, and then screw this into the position up top. These panels, as I mentioned, are available for the Sprinter, Transit, and ProMaster. Couple notes with that. The Transit only has a lower door panel. There is no upper section to a Ford Transit sliding door, so you will only find that on OutThereVans.com for the Transit. Now for the ProMaster and Sprinter, you will be able to find both of these lower and upper door panels in their respective categories on our website. All of these VanEssentials lower sliding door panels, Transit, ProMaster, Sprinter, retail for $190. These upper panels for the Sprinter and ProMaster are $90 a piece. Now keep in mind, on OutThereVans.com, we have a variety of panels for these doors. So for example, if you want these lower and upper storage panels, we do not currently have any offerings of storage panels for these middle panels. I do not know currently if VanEssentials has that in the works or not, but they are not currently available. Luckily on OutThereVans.com, we do have Baltic birch options that can mount up in those positions there. Utilize the ability to mix and match your panels in your van. We sell Baltic birch panels, we sell Molly panels, we also sell these storage panels for a lot of the different van chassis. So utilize that ability to go through and say, I want some storage in these positions, but I also want a pre-cut Baltic birch panel, which would look like this. This is the Baltic birch equivalent to this panel that we are looking at right here. Now this is a 1/4 inch Baltic birch, CNC cut to match up to your factory holes, but utilize the selection on OutThereVans.com to mix and match and cater the inside of your van and your doors to be the perfect pairing for you. So let's hop inside. I will show you an example of what it looks like pre-door storage panel, and then we will get these things installed and see what you think. All right, let's hop up inside of this shop van, which, by the way, I will have a van tour coming of soon. Now, our storage panels will be replacing this upper panel here, as well as this lower panel down here. Now, as I mentioned, we don't have any options for this middle section yet. Most vans we find have a window in this area. If they don't, we have a Baltic birch option that does mount up into that position. And I'm going to start out by removing my existing panel that sits here. I will pull this off. And upon pulling this panel off, you can now see I have my door panel up here that has my 3 voids that will match up with my little door storage panel. Now, these voids have insulation packed in them. So no matter what, that's going to limit how much storage I can truly pull out of these panels. So do note that when you are installing these, if you have that stuffed all the way to the exterior with insulation, there's not going to be that interior depth to work with. But in this case, I still have 1.5 inches maybe of space. I have 1 layer of 3M Thinsulate, which, by the way, shameless plug, these are our 3M Thinsulate pre-cut kits, so go check those out on OutThereVans.com. I'm now going to go through, and because I already had rivet nuts set in these positions, I drilled out those corresponding holes as a template using my old panel. That way I can just use my existing bolts and bolt those back up into place. But this panel does come provided with metal screws, so you can go through and pre-drill all around the rim and set those metal screws into place. Upper panel's all installed. Now I'll stick my hand in here for size reference on all of these. There's a nice little shelf back there. Again, I have insulation back here. If you didn't have insulation, you would have even more storage, but I know chances are most of you will. But these are all great spots that you could put a couple pairs of gloves in each of these. I'm basically going to follow the same process, remove my existing panel that's in here. I already have rivet nuts set for this bottom panel, so I'm going to reuse my existing hardware. But again, this comes with hardware for installation. And here you go. Now we have some nice use of these more voids of our door panel. Now, I'm going to note right away off of this one, I have an electric mechanism in this door on this specific Sprinter, and there is an extra module in this pocket. So this pocket for my van particularly does not have a lot of room. Again, I could stuff some gloves in there, things like that. It's not a super practical pocket compared to these other ones, but we're going to take the wins wherever we can because we now have all these small pockets. We have a larger pocket up here, and these other 3 are still highly useful. So that is our quick overview of the new lower storage panel and upper storage panel from VanEssential, all available on OutThereVans.com. Additionally, on OutThereVans.com, you will find just about every accessory that is hanging out in this van behind me. Everything from the rest of the storage panel sets back here from VanEssential, this Hest mattress, this full bed platform system, L-track upper cabinets, Fiamma awnings. You'll find all that there. So be sure to head over to OutThereVans.com. By shopping through OutThereVans.com, you do support a small family-run business, and also just by watching these videos, you do as well. So be sure to hit subscribe so you can see future products and projects coming out of the workshop. And we hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching today.